What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we are putting in a Venison Denver Leg. Let's do it. So Venison Denver Leg, just a term for the hind leg that's been deboned, your rump, your top round, your bottom round, and your knuckle. I'm pretty sure that covers all of it. If I missed something, well, don't listen to me. You have options with your leg. You can cut them up into steaks and medallions, cook them as roast, keep it as is. These are beautiful cuts, man. I'm keeping them as is. I got a simple marinade that we can dive right into to get this Denver leg going. Got a simple mixture of salt and pepper. We're just gonna coat each cut of our leg. Turn them over. Salt and pepper the other side. Some good salt and pepper on there. A little more. So now we're just gonna move our cuts into a big mixing bowl. And now we can add our other ingredients. I got about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of thyme, about half a cup of lemon juice, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a cup of cabernet sauvignon, I think that's how you say it, red wine. And then we got some orange rinds. You can mix up your marinade. Ooh, splashing some. Get the spices mixed in there. All right, that looks pretty good. I had a couple of plastic bags here I was gonna put it in, but I'm just gonna keep it right in this bowl. Let it soak up that wine, let it soak up those spices. I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge for 2 hours. You could go overnight, it's not gonna hurt, but I'm just gonna put it in for a couple hours and then we can go pop it in the smoker. All right, so these have been marinating in the fridge for 2 hours. Look at that. These are gonna be amazing. Let's get them loaded up on the racks. All right, so we got our smoker set up to 225 degrees. I'm using a mix of pecan and cherry wood for this Venison Denver Leg. I'm not rushing it and I'm not worrying about overall time. I'm going strictly by internal temps. For venison, I'm looking for an internal temp of 130. You can go a little bit higher if you want, but I wouldn't recommend going past 140. So that's it. From here, we're gonna let the smoker go to work. We'll pull it when we hit a 130 internal temp and we'll eat. And with that, folks, our Venison Denver Leg is complete. Pulled it out with the internal temp right over 130 at about 132. Didn't have any issues with any of the different thickness and cuts. We're cutting right into our different cuts of our leg. Nicely done, beautiful, pink, and juicy. Gotta cut a nice slab. Cut a couple pieces there. That's why people love venison. It's just so lean. It pairs so well with that red wine. A lot of people worry about drying out venison in your smoker and think you have to wrap it in bacon. There's nothing wrong with wrapping it in bacon, but you definitely don't have to. If you set it at 225 and pull it with a 130 internal temp, you're gonna be just fine. Man, that is just perfect. There's just nothing else like this. So I got some more work to do. I'm gonna go cut the rest of this up. Man, there's a lot of different ways you can prepare venison in the Denver Leg. This is just a simple recipe with some red wine and some garlic and thyme. Go pop it in your smoker, you're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.